take the question of when will you marry or when will you get married.
Oh, family gathering.
Yeah.
Jina langu ni refu by the way. How much do you do the wigs? 3,000. Hebu muonyeshe hiyo.
Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah. You wear spectacles. You cannot see.
No, don't make me shy.
You-
But she's always been wearing. You
Yeah.
always have them.
Yeah. Why don't you buy
A camera.
a stick?
Oh, I don't like carrying sticks everywhere. That means I have to have a bigger bag.
Ah, the smaller sticks, those ones, retractable ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, you want to pretend you're shy now.
No,
And
but
when
I'm
you're-
shy.
When you're vlogging, you're like, you know me. I'm doing the Bantu knots, so I cannot wait to see what Marilyn has to do with my hair. By the way, this is my hair. I'm not bragging, but I'm not bragging, but can your hair even? Huh?
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply.
what I got. So
Madam Nicole.
you can come to my girls' salon. It's in the Valley Arcade, Minimal. Marilyn Beauty. Sikuja, you talk.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you guys at my salon, Marilyn Beauty, Valley Arcade Minimal. When
Yeah.
you come, just look for me.
I'll put down her Instagram page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So she did a good job, you see? My friend, You know what? Kuja hapa.
Hello.
Say hello to my friend.
She looks so nice. So you guys come down here, get your hair
Done.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel.